In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable order receipt emails in your Big Cartel account. Ensuring that your customers receive order confirmation emails not only enhances the customer experience, but also provides a sense of security and professionalism in your business operations. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your store, and it should be your starting point for making most configuration changes. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, you'll notice a menu bar at the top of the page that contains several options for managing different aspects of your online store. From here, we want to click on the Account button located at the top. Doing this will take you into a more detailed view of your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your store's configuration and settings. This section is like the backbone of your store's operations. And from here, we're going to make sure that your customers will be notified every time they make a purchase. Now, once you're in the account section, you'll need to scroll down the page until you spot Preferences. This is the area where you'll be able to manage some of the finer details of how your store interacts with customers and how it handles different situations. Once you've located Preferences, go ahead and click Edit Preferences. This will take you to a form where you can make various changes. In this form, our goal is to ensure that your store is set to send order receipt emails to customers, confirming their purchases with a personalized email from your store. Look for the option that says Send Order Receipt Emails. It's crucial to double-check that this feature is enabled because this simple email serves as a critical touchpoint with your customers. If it's already turned on, great, you can move on. If not, make sure it is checked so that it's active. Finally, after enabling the order receipt emails, it's important to save your changes to apply these settings successfully. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a Save button. Click that to confirm all the changes you've just made. With a quick click, you have now ensured that a confirmation email will be sent for every order your customers make. And that's it. These emails can really help in minimizing confusion and imbuing trust, giving customers peace of mind that their transaction has been successfully processed. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your Big Cartel store. See you in the next video.